In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new vendor in Odoo. This straightforward process will help you effectively manage your vendor relationships, making it easier to handle purchase orders and accounting tasks within the platform. Let's get started. The first thing you'll do is navigate to the vendors section within Odoo. To do this, you need to open either the purchase or accounting application, depending on your preferences and the workflow you're using at the moment. Once you're inside the application, look under the orders menu where you'll find the vendors option. Another efficient way to get there is by typing vendor into the handy search bar at the top of your screen, then selecting the appropriate menu item that appears in the suggestions. Now that we've reached the vendors section, the next step is to create a new vendor. You'll notice a button labeled either new or create. Go ahead and click this button and it will open the vendor creation form for you. This is where all the magic happens, as this is where you input all the relevant details for your new vendor. Once you have the form open, it's time to specify the vendor type. You can choose whether the vendor is an individual or a company. This choice will determine the type of information you will need to input in the next step, so make sure you select the right one. For a company, you'll want to enter the company's name and address, along with any other pertinent details that can help you identify and manage your relationship with the company effectively. If it's an individual vendor, you'll need to provide the individual's name, the company they belong to if that applies, as well as additional contact information such as job position, phone number, and email. One of the great features is that you can include multiple addresses like delivery, invoice, and private or any other contacts associated with the vendor. Moving on to the sales and purchase information next. This section is crucial as it lets you fill in details regarding payment terms and methods, as well as 1099 information if applicable to your business needs. Ensuring this information is accurate will streamline your procurement and financial processes. The next element to configure is the accounting information. You'll need to specify details such as bank accounts and the receivable and payable accounts for the vendor. Paying attention to these sections will help keep your financial records clear and precise. As you wrap up, take advantage of the additional information section. Here, you can include internal notes or set up receipt reminders. Tailor these settings as needed to make sure everything is in order for smooth vendor interactions. Finally, once you've provided all of this information, it's time to save your progress. Click on the Save or Save and Close button to ensure your new vendor information is securely stored. And just like that, you've added a new vendor to Odoo. Easy, isn't it? Now you're all set to manage vendors with confidence.